Alright, let's get started. So first things first, I'm going in with my contour palette from e.l.f. And I'm going to use this color to contour my cheeks, my nose, and under my chin. And I'm going to use, actually this is the first time using this, so we'll see how this works. I've always used an angled brush, but I'm going to try the fan brush today and see if I like that better, because lately my contour seems to be coming out too harsh, so I'm gonna try something a little different. And to figure out where you should put your contour on your cheeks, just suck your cheeks in, and then where it comes in is where you should apply the contour. Honestly, don't really even know how to use this brush. I'm no pro. And the key with contouring, less is more. Because like I said, you don't want it to turn out too harsh. I actually like that. Go in and do my nose. And since we're doing a Halloween tutorial, I think I will do a little more contour on my nose than normal, just because we're doing a cat. So you want your nose to look thin. And then I like to go under my chin as well. Try to hide my double chin. Doesn't always work, but I like to think it does. Next, we're gonna highlight. I'm going in with You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter. This is by Decay Beauty. I got this at Shopko, and it's a good highlighter. So, and we're going to go in with this is actually technically a blush brush from the e.l.f. collection, but I use it for my highlight. And we're going to highlight our nose. And up here between the eyebrows. And then right here. A little bit on our Cupid's bow and the chin. There we go. Now that we're highlighted and contoured, let's get into the eyes. Okay, so we're gonna prime our eyes with our e.l.f. primer. And that is the color Sheer. Once again, I held that upside down. Oh well. Just gonna dab that on our eyelids. And then I just rub it in with my finger. Okay, so I'm going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette once again. And let's see, I think I'm going to do like a brown smoky eye look, kind of. We'll see how it turns out. I need my C brush. I'm going in with my C brush from e.l.f. of course. There's that. I'm going to start with So Boujee, which is the shade right here. I'm going to use that as my base. And I'm going in with my C brush. And I brought that all the way up to my brow bone, or to my eyebrow, I should say. I'm gonna do Love and Cocoa on my lid. We're gonna do that next. Same brush. And that's just gonna go on my lid. There we go. And I think last we're going to put black in the crease. And so the black in this palette is called Decadent. That's right here. And we're going to put that in the crease and try to make all the colors blend together in the process. Black is a hard color to work with. So you don't want too much. Doesn't look too bad, I guess. But I think I'm gonna go back and add a little more Love and Cocoa on this eye. Looks like I got a little too much black going on. I think that'll have to do. Got a little dark, but it's okay because it's a Halloween tutorial and it's okay to be dramatic. Alright, next we're going to do eyeliner. And I'm going to use my Physicians Formula, which I use every day. This is like my everyday eyeliner. I just shake that up usually and give it a little go. And I think we'll do a dramatic wing since we are going to be a cat. Dramatic enough for you? There we go. There are our wings. Very cat-like. I should have bought some like cat eye contacts. Didn't think of it until the last second. Like, oh, that is so cool. Okay, next. Let's curl our eyelashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes with my e.l.f. lash curler before applying mascara. And I'm going in with my Lash Accelerator by Rimmel. I'm not going to do my bottom lashes yet because I'm going to add black liner to my bottom waterline. Okay. Going in with black liner to fill in my waterline. And this is by Wet n Wild, but it does not matter what black liner you use. Just a pencil liner will do. And that just sort of completes the cat eye effect. And then I'm going to go in and do the mascara on my bottom lashes here. Okay, so we're not done with the eyes yet, but we're going to come back to it because the last step is going to be putting on fake eyelashes. Next, we're going to draw our little cat nose and whiskers and do our lips. So I'm going to take my NYX gel eyeliner And this is the shade color Jet Black. And I'm going to take my angled eyeliner brush, as always, to draw my nose. So we're just going to draw a little triangle on her nose and bring it down. I made little dots just so I know where to draw. I think that's as good as the nose is gonna get. That took me way longer than I expected, but I guess that's gonna be it. I kind of have a big nose, so it's kind of hard. Okay, next we're gonna do our lips. I'm going to put black on the top lip and then do red on the bottom lip to make it a little more sultry. Now, I don't have black lipstick. I thought I did, so I didn't buy any, but I don't. So what I'm gonna do is take black eyeliner and just put it on my lips. I'm thinking I could try black eyeshadow. Yeah, that's just not dark enough. So I'm gonna go in with my gel eyeliner again, and I'm going to use this is, it looks like a lip brush. It actually doesn't say what it is. This is not e.l.f., I don't believe. I think I got this I believe this is from Amazon. It's just a big bag of brushes called Decay. They are mostly eye brushes. I like it. I don't use these as my everyday brushes. I use these as like things that I would do for like this, like a cat, because I don't use them very often. So those are nice. So I'm going to use that and get some liner on here and fill in my top lip. Next, I am going to use this red lipstick by Urban Decay. It's called F-Bomb. I love this stuff. It's like a super dark red, which I think is perfect for this look. And I'm just going to put that on my bottom lip. Now we're going to add whiskers, and I'm going to use my NYX's That's the Point eyeliner, and this is going to be perfect because it has that ball tip, so I can do the little dots by my nose and then add the whiskers with it as well. There's that, and then I think we just have to put our eyelashes on, and then we'll be done. Oh, and if you're wondering, I got these from Walmart. They were like $3. I liked them because they had the spikes. Make it look a little more badass. Okay, eyelashes. So I also got these eyelashes from Walmart. And it has been a very, very long time since I put fake eyelashes on. So this may or may not be hilarious to watch. Or cringeworthy. Yeah, so like I said, I got these at Walmart. These are literally from the Halloween section because I wanted them to be super dramatic. And I think they're called like Mesmerizing lashes. And they were like $2.98. So what I'm gonna do is take a little lash glue and put it on the ring of the lash, or the band of the lash, and then I'm told that you're supposed to wait 30 seconds for the glue to get a little tacky and then put them on. And I'm just grabbing them with the tweezers, and I'm just going to try to lightly set them right next to my natural lashes. Not horrible for the first time doing these in a long time, but obviously they don't look perfect. But okay, that's the other one, I guess. I can feel that it's kind of like it's like on my eyelashes, which is a no-no, but for the sake of a Halloween costume or whatever, it'll work. I think that second one actually turned out a little better. This one you can see I didn't like put it close enough toward the side, and I don't know, whatever. Well, that was kind of a wild ride, but if you still liked what you saw today, please like, comment, subscribe as always. I super appreciate everyone who's watching. I love interacting with my viewers, so ask any questions. I love when people comment. And I have exciting stuff coming. Super exciting stuff coming in the next couple weeks. If you like Disney, you are going to love this. So check back every Tuesday for a new video, and once again, thanks for watching. Bye guys.